Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shens. Today the topic we're talking about is double eyelid creation by the stitching method. It's a triple suture technique for creation of double eyelids. This procedure doesn't really leave much scars in the double eyelid as compared to the conventional incisional method of double eyelid creation or the cutting eyelid surgery. This method involves making tiny 1 to 2 millimeter holes on the upper eyelid through which threads are inserted into the upper eyelid. These threads are then anchored to create a fold in the double eyelid that is permanent and gives a very natural double eyelid for most patients. This procedure is usually suited for young people who do not have too much excess upper eyelid skin or in people who do not have too much fats in the upper eyelid. Also a procedure that is very suitable for the majority of young people today who want to change the shape of the upper eyelid from a thin fold to a thicker fold, or for patients who have what we call monolid to create very pretty and distinct folds in the upper eyelid. The differences between an incisional method of double eyelid creation versus the stitching method is that the stitching method is a pretty short method of double eyelid creation. It has a lower downtime in the sense that most patients can return to work within 5 days a week, and you do not have much bruising associated with the procedure as well. The reason why the stitching method is more popular is that patients cannot afford a long downtime of 3 to 4 weeks, which is what is required for this cutting method of double eyelid creation. Secondly, most patients do actually not want to see the scars in the upper eyelid as a result of the cutting eyelid surgery. So that's the reason why this method is more popular compared to the conventional double eyelid surgery methods. To determine suitability, usually we will assess the patients during the consultation. We would then actually do a simulation of the type of double eyelid they can create of themselves, and that's how patients choose the height that they are looking for and what kind of height is suitable for their kind of eyelids. Typically, double eyelid surgery by the stitching method takes around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Prior to that, we will usually take about 10 minutes to draw the fold that the patient requests. The recovery is short. The tiny incisions that we have made on the double eyelid to put in the threads will close up within 5 days of the procedure, after which the patients can usually use a bit of cosmetics or even makeup to cover these areas and return to work.